these are called piano wires, right? So they run these wires down, these guide wires, to show clearance. As soon as they get here, they'll set up. This is a rectangle pool. It's got to be an exact rectangle, so they're going to pull their diagonals out just to make sure, so we don't end up with a parallelogram, right? It does have an auto cover, so it has to be a perfect rectangle. They lay out these piano wires to make sure, they use them as guide wires to make sure they have clearance from the rebar. It's very important to make sure your rebar is 3 inches back from gunite and also 3 inches from dirt. So your gunite on the top of the bond beam is going to be about 12 inches thick, and then it tapers down to about 6 or 8 inches thick, and then the floor usually ends up a little bit thicker. In this case, we have, like I said, an auto cover. So you have your vault. This is your auto cover vault here. The cover is going to sit down in here. It's going to be hidden. Coping. This will have walk-on trays with the coping that matches the pool covering the vault. And then, of course, you have your drain. So you have to drain your vault. So this drain is at the end of the vault. That'll be connected by a landscaper and run out to the street. A lot of people forget that. So we want that to have its own drain and drain out to the street. This wire out, okay? Then you're gonna have a wall right here. So the pool is out there, the vault is in here, right? This is where your cover is gonna sit. And we'll get a video of that later with this wall being gunnited so you can see. Again, you have to have a drain, right, to drain out this vault as it accumulates water. And you'll see, it'll be self-explanatory. Once this wall is shot, you'll see the dividing wall between the two. Over there, we're gonna have a swim shelf. That's gonna end up being 6.5 by 7.5. That'll be a swim shelf with an umbrella sleeve. We're gonna put an umbrella sleeve in there so he can put an umbrella there, keep shade, and that'll have its own light, a return line on the shelf to help keep it clean. This will be a pretty pool when it's done. It's going to be a pebble pool with Caribbean blue, stone skates, and trim tile on the steps. It's going to be nice when it's done. The gunite will be out here where this guide wire is. So you've got 3 inches of clearance here to make sure no steel is exposed into the pool. Not only the rebar, but the tie wires, right? There's tie wires everywhere. So we want to make sure none of that is sticking out into the pool. That would be a potential rust spot later in the plaster.